Meet VisiQ, your AI-powered control tower for supply chain operations. It unifies data from systems like WMS, OMS, and TMS across many file types into a single cloud model. VisiQ doesn't just collect data. It transforms it into intelligence. Continuous ingestion and validation create a single source of truth. This powers dashboards, scheduled reports, and real-time alerts for SLA risks, all guided by your business rules. Predictive models and anomaly detection help you act before issues arise. With NaviQ, VisiQ's conversational assistant, you can ask questions in plain English and get instant insights. VisiQ runs on AWS, Glue for integration, S3 for secure storage, Redshift for fast warehousing, SageMaker and Bedrock for AI insights, and QuickSight for live dashboards. It can also integrate with platforms like Tableau and Power BI. Built for the enterprise, VisiQ offers secure networking, role-based access, encryption, scalability, and multi-tenant design. In future phases, VisiQ will integrate with ERP and finance systems like SAP, Dynamics 365, QuickBooks, and others. This extends the single source of truth from fulfillment to planning and inventory optimization. Now, finding details like the cost of operations per item will be at your fingertips. VisiQ doesn't just show data. It gives foresight. VisiQ is predictive, proactive, powerful,